Every day, Tom reads a book. Tom likes to read in the morning. He sits on a big chair. The chair is soft and blue. The Tom opens his book. He sees many pictures. He reads the words. The book is about animals. Tom likes animals. Tom's favorite animal is a cat. The book has a picture of a cat. The cat is black and white. The cat is small. Tom reads about the cat. The cat likes to play. Tom smiles. He likes the cat in the book. Tom's mother reads with him. She sits next to Tom. She reads a different book. Her book is about trees. Tom and his mother read together. They are happy. They like reading time. Tom reads for 20 minutes. Then he closes his book. He feels good. Tom learns new things every day. Reading is fun for Tom and his mother. They look forward to reading time every day. It is their favorite time. So, in this video, we have learned that how to read, and this is a small step towards that how we can read any passage or anything in English. All right.